Hi everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I should welcome myself back. It's been a while. I have my nails painted for Valentine's Day and I have my cat here who I don't think you guys have met. I have two cats. This is Stormy. She loves being on my shoulders, as you can see. If you can tell, my background is new as well. I did move in November of last year, so it's been a little crazy here. That's why I've been MIA, but I'm really looking forward to getting back into video making. Yeah, the new apartment, I'm in the same town I was, which is really nice, but it's a bigger apartment. I'm able to have my cats, so it's been great. These little babies are about like 8 months old. I love them. She's purring right now. I don't have any makeup on today, so don't mind that, but yeah, I thought I would do my Lucky Bag 2022 unboxing. I'll put the details down below, but it ends up being about $90 with tax and shipping and tax, which does end up being a lot. I just got the original for fair to medium. Sorry if you can hear my washing machine. That's in the background. I love when I wear like a scarf like that. So yeah, I have my little lingerie chest over there with my hair care products. Don't mind my unmade bed. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this place. Let me know what you guys think about my lighting and the positioning of the camera and all that. I will, since it's my first video in this new place, you know, I'll try to figure out what works best. But I'm sitting at my vanity right now, so ideally this is probably where I'd film this. But anyway, I don't know if I can do this with a cat, but here's my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I've been doing these for quite a while. I do love them. Here's the packaging of this one. Wow, I do a lot of things these days with a cat on my shoulder, but it says Lucky Bags are a Chinese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The shisa on this year's Lucky Bag are known as guardians in Okinawa, Japan. They're said to ward off evil spirits while keeping good spirits in. We hope the surprises aside invite you to leave the bad behind and take the good with you into 2022. Okay, now she's gone. So I do really enjoy doing these. I have already peeked at these. Sorry, I couldn't wait. I got this a few days ago. They were delayed shipping, and then I never even got the shipping confirmation. It showed up before it did. But first thing here is a Sonia G brush, which I love getting Sonia G or Wayne Goss brushes. This is the Crease Pro. I have the blue eye set, but I don't have this one. Looks like a great, oh my goodness, cat on my lap, a great pointed crease brush. I'm really excited about that. This is another Wayne Goss product, which I love getting his products. I have only a few of his lip products. I do want one of his blush and highlighter duos. So this is just a black, it's Obsidian, the Essential Eye Kohl pencil. So just a black pencil, but still exciting to have. It came in this, everything was in this nice bubble wrap. This, I saw other people get this as well. I saw some people got the retro palette from Natasha Denona. I do wish I got that, but I got this palette from Hindash, which I don't have anything from them. Never even heard of them. And it's this pressed pigment palette. It's Beautopsy pressed pigment palette, made in Italy, 100% vegan. And it has these 6 shades, but they're kind of like, they fade in from one to the other. So apparently you can use these on your eyes. I mean, they're really, really basic eye shadows with some pinks and oranges. You can also use these, I think, as blushes or bronzers, so I think that could be interesting to do. Stormy, you want to come say hi to the camera? So that's interesting. I believe that one's pretty expensive, like 70 bucks. I got a Charlotte Tilbury product, which I don't have too many of her products, so I love that. This is a Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Lipstick, Hot Lips. I love the packaging of this, the rose gold in Hell's Bells, and I don't believe I have this. It's in this gorgeous, what do you call that, magenta shade? Purple, pinky. Love that. That's definitely like a me color. And then I got the DM ColorFix Matte Waterproof Matte Liquid Pigment for eyes, lips, and cheeks in the shade Latte. So here's what it looks like. So I probably wouldn't use this on the eyes, but I probably would use this on the lips or cheeks. I'm not sure if it'll dry down, but it definitely does feel like a little more lip appropriate. Again, not a brand that I have anything from. Oh, and it does stain, which I kind of do like that. I've been into stains recently. And then yeah, I believe the last product I have in here is the Good Molecules Rosewater Daily Cleansing Gel, which we typically get a Good Molecules product in here. Rosewater is high in antioxidants and helps maintain a bright skin tone. That's good, especially in the winter here. Dispense a small amount in palms and massage on the face to create a light lather. Rinse well, use after cleansing balm for a double cleanse. Avoid direct eye area. So, I mean, yeah, that's exciting. I'll definitely use this once I'm done on my next one. So yeah, that's my lucky bag. I don't think it's an extra lucky bag or anything. I don't think I've ever gotten an extra lucky one. But I'm pretty pleased with that. I do wish maybe I would have gotten a different palette, but we'll see how that is. The two products I'm probably most excited about are, of course, the Sonia G eye brush. I'll use this a lot, and the Charlotte Tilbury mascara. I mean, you know, just a black eyeliner, even if it's Wayne Goss. This is interesting. I'll see what I think of that and where I like to use it most. I'll see about playing around with this as well, and then I definitely will use this after I use up my current cleanser, which I actually have quite a bit of. But anyway, that is my lucky bag. I'm excited to be back and making videos hopefully more regularly. Let me know if you guys got a lucky bag. One of these years maybe I'll get an XL bag. I'll see. Apparently this year, like, I wasn't on I forgot to sign up for the early access email, so I was like visiting my boyfriend's family and ice skating. I was like, I have to stop and be ready to order this. So that's what I did. And I got mine in time. People said that they didn't really sell out as quickly this time. That's cool. I just noticed this has a little indicator of the name, which I actually really like, and you can see through it. So anyway, not sure what that's about. I know Jeffree Star has some lucky bags as well. I'm not purchasing products from that brand anymore, but they have a few different variations, which is cool. And I think there's like buy one, donate one as well, which is cool. But anyway, yeah, let me know if you guys got one. Let me know your thoughts on these products. And let me know any video ideas you guys have. I have an empties video I will need to film. And then I have a few other ideas. I just placed an order with M Cosmetics. So I'm super excited about that. I've wanted to try products from M Cosmetics, Michelle Phan's brand, for quite a while. I've heard really good things, so I'll probably do like a full face of those products. But yeah, anyway, hope you guys are doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.